I come from America's heartland, along the banks of the mighty Mississippi. Not far from my home was old Route 66. In the American of my youth, my friends and I set out on day-long bicycle rides where our sole destination was simply getting lost. Each attempt ultimately ended in failure, back home in time for dinner with the folks. That's when wanderlust took hold of me and never let go. For the rest of my life, the open road called. Wherever this road takes me is where I want to go.
I think it's time for me to waken, to fry myself some eggs and bacon, put on a pair of jeans that know me well, and boots that have a tale to tell. A wandering day is what it feels like. An open road is what my wheels like. And where it takes me I don't know or care. I only know I'm going there. Across the railroad tracks and out of town, I hit Route 66 with all my windows down. I'm on my way to places that I've never been before. To me an open road's an open door. I pass the old red barns, they've seen it all. They've weathered winter snows and felt the rains of fall. I feel the wind across my face and smell the summer day, the scent of apple trees and new mown hay. The river follows where I'm going, with fields and meadows green and growing. I love not knowing what's around the bend. For every mile's another friend. I know the feeling that my wheels like, because it's just what freedom feels like. From sea to sea, from shore to shore, an open road's an open door. That's what an open road is for.
Roads personify democracy. They offer freedom to anyone who takes the time to travel them. Few things are more American than traveling the open road with an open mind, and I should know. I come alive when I'm behind the wheel, going someplace I've never been before.
Across the railroad tracks and out of town, I hit Route 66 with all my windows down. I'm on my way to places that I've never been before. To me an open road's an open door. I pass the old red barns, they've seen it all. They've weathered winter storms and felt the rains all fall. I feel the wind across my face and smell the summer day, the scent of apple trees and new mown hay. I know the feeling that my wheels like, because it's just what freedom feels like. From sea to sea, from shore to shore, an open road's an open door. That's what an open road is for. Shore to shore, that is what it's for.
Back roads became my friend, but America became my lover.